Hey friends, how to make PDF file on your iPhone from Photos. Go to the Photos application and here choose any photos. For this, in top right corner, tap Select and choose our photos. After, in bottom left corner, tap Share, then swipe down and tap Save to Files. We can create folder on your phone. For this, in right top corner, tap Create Folder and rename it, for example, PDF. Then tap Done and in top right corner, tap Save for save our photos to PDF folder. Then return to main screen and open Files application. Here, choose Location on my phone, then PDF folder, and here we see our images. In top right corner, tap 3 points, then again select our images, and then in bottom right corner, tap 3 points. And finally, select Create PDF. We have our PDF document, open it, and we can share this document with Messenger or email. If you want, for example, that image 44 was the first image, you can rename it. For this, choose this image, edit. For this, select by long tap this photo and rename it. It will be the first, and for example, this photo will be second. Okay, then again select these photos and then create PDF from these photos. We can rename this PDF file, rename, for example, Mac, and open our PDF file. Thanks for the watching, good luck, and goodbye.